Welcome to today's video. So we are opening up Boxycharm for November, and I did try on some of the items, and you guys, some things in here just made me so happy. So before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes like Boxycharm, and I open them every single day here on our channel. We actually have a giveaway going on for 11K subscribers. As a big thank you to all of my lovely subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed and you love subscription boxes like I do, I would absolutely love it if you did. If you guys have not yet entered that giveaway, it was the last video I posted, so go check it out, and I'll link it at the end of this video as well. So I'm sure you guys know this, but the Boxycharm box is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items. You get to customize 1 item. And yeah, my box is good this month. So I totally forgot that there's one like high ticket item that was going to be in a lot of the boxes. I think I watched one spoiler video. I rarely do that, and I think it was just like in the background, and once I opened it I remembered, and I'm so happy. If you guys know, you guys know. So I will look it up and leave the weight and dimensions on the screen for my box and also down below. Some people ask me why I give that information, and it's because if your box has shipped already and you haven't received it yet and it's the same weight and dimensions as my box, maybe we are box twins. I have variation number 24, and I guess the theme is harvest, and yeah, so variation 24, it says right in the corner there. So how about we start off with the item that I customized, since I already like kind of talked about that. And this is by Jouer, and it's the Essential Lip Enhancer. I honestly can't remember what the other choices were for choice, but I remember not being super thrilled, but I actually am happy to get this. The only reason why I wasn't thrilled because I have a bunch of lip balms, but this used to be my all-time favorite, so I'm super happy to have it again. So it's like lip balm, but there's a little sheen to it. I think I filmed myself actually putting it on when I was filming like the try-on portion. It was like really zoomed in, and I just had done my skincare, so I'm probably extra shiny, but I will insert that clip here. And this is $17, and it says it's infused with good-for-you clean ingredients, and it offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this stuff is great. I love it. I think I was in Chicago when I had this, and yeah, I am happy to have it again. It's been years, so yay. And okay, the item that I was so happy when I saw it was in here, I was like, oh, Natasha Denona! I totally forgot. I think this is it, someone correct me if I'm wrong, is this a Boxycharm exclusive? So this is the Peak palette. Like, I swear, I think, like I said earlier, like I was just watching something in the background, like YouTube was on in the background, which is how I normally watch it. And I heard something about it, how like only like 1 million subscribers or like some number were going to get this palette, and I was like, I'll never get that probably, you know, because usually I don't, but I got it. And by the way, I do pay for my own Boxycharm. I'm not in their PR list or anything. And when I first got this and I swatched it, I was like, oh, you know, whatever, it's boring, but I really like it. I have it in my eyes now, obviously. I'll insert clips of me trying it on. Whenever I do that, I don't even know why I kind of bother, because it's so quick, because I'm just talking through it fast. But yeah, I'll show you, but I really like the overall look. So it's not like super deep and pigmented, which I think is great, like works for my complexion. So I'm curious if anyone has a deeper complexion, what you think of this palette if you received it. So it's $48, there's 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. And I used all of the shades today, and I really like how it turned out. For some reason I was thinking the name was like burnt or something, because I'm like, this does give a really pretty burnt color. So yeah, I'm so happy to get this. So first I went in with this shade here, this like, it says the names on the back. What is it? Aya or Shine? I don't know, whatever. Name doesn't matter, but this one, it's like pretty much my skin tone. I just put that all over like the crease and above that. And then in the actual crease area, I went in with this light pink shade. I think that is so pretty. And then a little bit lower than that, like the actual crease, I would say. So like the pink shade was more in the transition, and the crease I use this like burnt red shade, super pretty. I use the brown in the outer corner, and then I use the 1 shimmer shade all over my lid. And what I did was use the next item. We got eye primer that is by Alamar Cosmetics, and it's $15. This is their Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base, and they said you could use this as like just an overall eye primer, or you could use it as like a glitter glue. So I used it as a glitter glue. I really don't think Natasha Denona shadows need it, because I've used them before, and the shimmers are my favorite. but I wanted to try it out. So I recently discovered glitter glue. I bought NYX glitter glue, and I use it every time I do my makeup now, and it seriously makes it last. Like, I recommend that stuff so much. It's only like, well, I got it on Amazon Prime Day for $4, but normally it's like $6, and this is $15. I mean, this did the job fine, but I think the glitter glue, you know, it's cheaper, but yeah, I probably didn't need to open this because a little bit goes a long way, but yeah, I liked it. I had no fallout when doing any of the matte shadows at all, and with the shimmer I didn't either, but again, I use glitter glue, and I don't think it has fallout from my experience with Natasha Denona, but you guys, I'm so happy to have this. It's such a good palette for fall too. The colors, love it so much. And then we have 2 more items to go, which I did not try today. One is a makeup item, but I didn't want to try it because I'm going to give it away. So this is by Beauty Creations, and this is the Kelly Glow Highlight Palette. And this is $14.99. And it's made up of 3 shades to suit all skin tones. So there's a champagne color, a golden color, and a bronze. There's a little mirror too. So, I mean, but when this video is posted, if all goes to plan, at 7, like a little bit before this video's up, I am doing like a members only live, and I'm picking a winner for a giveaway, and I told them I would throw in some surprises. So I'm gonna throw in this highlight palette just because I have so many highlights, and I know myself, I never reach for face palettes. I reach for the individuals, and I don't think all of these shades would work for me because I am very fair. So I am super happy to add this in to that giveaway. And again, I have the 11K giveaway if you're not a channel member. I mean, if you want to be, totally join, but yeah, that giveaway is going on. There's a lot of good stuff in there, and there'll be surprises as well. And then the last item, this is $70. It's a Murad Eye Cream. And at first I thought I was going to be getting like the eye cream I've had in the past when I was looking at this little sheet. But this is the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. And normally I don't get excited for eye creams. I've told you guys this so many times, but now, like, I think I was just using them a little too like stingy like before, and now I just like kind of pack it on at night especially, and I'm trying to use them up, and I'm noticing more fine lines every day, pretty much, not every day, but you know, as time goes on. And I might keep this. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna see like what people think. So if you guys have tried this, actually, please let me know. Leave a comment down below how it works for you. Should I keep it and use it? Is it really worth the $70? Because if it works, I'm gonna keep it. But if not, maybe I will, you know, put it in a giveaway or pass it on. Who knows? So that was everything, you guys. The total value I wrote down is $164.99, which is great. So again, this is a $25 box. And there's one more thing in the box. There's a 25% off code for Natasha Denona's website. Does it work on everything? Yeah, it says to save on all your Natasha Denona favorites, and it's valid until Christmas. So that's tempting. 25% off Natasha Denona. I don't know if she has sales often, like maybe at Sephora, you know, but that's everything there. But yeah, you guys, I mean, obviously the Natasha Denona palette made it for me, like this box. It's $48, I love it. I mean, I don't think I'll get like a huge variety of looks from it, but that's okay. I like smaller palettes because they like help me do an eye look, like create it easily and quickly, because I guess I'm not the most creative with that, and I feel like this could be an everyday palette. I love it so much. It performed really well, and I'm excited to have this lip balm by Jouer again, or whatever you call it, lip enhancer. The eye cream, yeah, I'm more excited than usual for an eye cream. The palette, I'm not excited about personally, but I'm excited to give it away. I hope someone else will appreciate it. And the eye primer, I mean, I was intrigued to try it and like compare it to the glitter glue because it's the only glitter glue I've ever tried by NYX. And so far it seems the same, but I don't know. But that's it for today, you guys. I would love to know if we are box twins. If you guys get Boxycharm, do you get the same things as me? Are you still waiting on your box? And if you did get yours and it's different, what did you get? I usually get my Boxycharm Premium first, but I don't even think I've gotten an email about that yet. So yeah, let me know your situation with your boxes. But yeah, again, thank you for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.